Hey guys, so I've been watching for a little while the Can-Am storage box for the Maverick Sport and Trail. It only keeps going up in price. It's not going down. I believe right now it's $750 Canadian. There's a little bit of a sale on, but it's still pretty expensive. So I found this storage container. Here's the brand, Tactics. It's an 85-liter storage box. You can see the dimensions here. So I actually bought it at Princess Auto. I'm in Canada, so Princess Auto is the Harbor Freight of Canada. It was $39.99 plus tax, so I had nothing to lose. I know a lot of people use the Husky storage box in the US, but has now discontinued. So I think this is the next best option. So it doesn't have a rubber gasket, which I'm not sure how it's going to do with the dust and water, but I'll test it out. And it also doesn't have a hinged lid like the Husky box, which would be nice. But it does have 4 of these. You almost need 2 hands to get these open. So these hasps, and there's 2 in the back. So that's the thing when you're mounting it. You gotta be careful. You don't put it too far back because you won't be able to access those. So the lid comes off. There you go. You can see inside. It's fully mounted, and I'll show you now how I did it. So as you can see, Can-Am comes with the Maverick Sport and Trail. Has these slots in the bed. Can-Am sells their own mounts that slide in, but if you just get a 3/8 carriage bolt and grind a little bit off each side, it'll fit in these slots perfectly. And I laid out 4 corners to fit in the bottom of the box nicely on the flat floor. And to drill the holes, I actually used bubble wrap. So what I did was I laid the bubble wrap over, pushed it down through the bolt, made a template, and then laid the bubble wrap. Bubble wrap is nice because you can see through it. I just happen to have some. Lay it in the bottom. You can see where your holes are supposed to be and drill your holes. So you get 4 lovely holes. So here is the storage container mounted in the bed. Don't have the nuts on yet, but as you can see, just 4 holes in the bottom. I made a template. Gotta put the washers and nuts on now. Ideally those would be a little bit shorter. Might end up cutting them off a bit, but 3/8 inch carriage bolts, and they're 1.25 inches long. That's the shortest I could get. So here is the final product. It's fully mounted, got the nuts on. You can see I got a backpack, a soft cooler. I got my bag with my air compressor in it and tire plugs. I got tow rope, ratchet straps, everything you need. So it can hold a lot of stuff. It won't hold a 5-gallon gas can because it's too tall. 2.5 gallon fits fine. And put the lid on. There you go, final product. So I think it looks pretty good. Next Can-Am accessory I bought, it comes with a sticker. I'll probably put it on the storage box so it looks even more the part. But here's a great storage solution. Here's a side-on shot for Maverick Sport and Trail. Thanks.